Hi, good afternoon, dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVM School, Harginwara Camp. Dear friends, this is part 1 video for the 6th standard, 3rd chapter playing with numbers. In our today class, dear friends, we have to discuss about the chapter playing with numbers. In this chapter, first content is factors. First content is that factors. Yes, factors. What do you mean by factors? Factors is nothing but a number which can divide the given number. Yes, definition of this one factor is any number which can divide the given number. Or another one definition is there. According to your textbook, factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Factor or second definition, dear children. Yes, factor of a number is an exact divisor of a number. Yes, see example. I want to make it clear. Definitions of factors is very simple. Suppose see here example 1. Factors of 8. With simple example, I go with very simple example. Factors means already I told any number which can divide the given number. Here given number is 8. Then if I take any number which can must and should divide this number completely. Another efficiency, factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Suppose dears, yes, you should remember 1 is the common factor for every number. 1 is the common factor for every number. They can ask you which is the common factor for all numbers. Which is the common factor for all numbers? 1 is the common factor for all numbers. Yes, then 2. Yes, 2 is a factor of 8. Then 4 is a factor of 8. Then 8 itself is a factor of itself. I told you factor means any number which can divide the given number exactly, or a factor of a number is an exact divisor of given number. Yes, see. Yes, I will take a first. Here divide 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are exactly remainder 0. Quotient 4. That's why 2 is a exact divisor of 8. Exact divisor of 8 means 2 is a factor of 8. Then 4. 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Yes, here 4 which can divide the 8 exactly. Remain quotient we are getting that 2. Remainder is 0. then 8 itself, 8 by 8. 8 ones are 8 ones are, quotient is 1, remainder is 0. Right now here 1 2 4 8, these are common factors of, especially not common factors, sorry, 1 2 4 8, these are the factors of 8, because these numbers what I have written, these numbers can divide this number 8. I think this is clear. Let us, I will move for the next some contents, not some contents. I will give more example for this one. I want to make it clear. Suppose examples, next example 2. Example 2, dear children. Yes, write the factors. Write the factors for following. Yes. Suppose example 1, here 4. Write the factors for 4 is equals to 1 is a factor for all number. That's why 1 is also factor of 4. Then 2. These 2 can divide the 4 given number. That's why 2 is a factor. Then 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are get cancelled. Then example 2 dear, suppose 16. Write the factors for the 16. Write the factors of 16. Yes, 16, that equals to 1 is common factor. Then 2 8 is a 16 get cancelled. Then 4 4 is a 16 get cancelled. Then 8 2 is a 16 get cancelled. Then 16 itself. Yes, here factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These are all factors of 16. Let us see here. Yes, 36. Example 36. Factors of 36. 1 is a common factor for all numbers. That's 1 is also factor of 36. Then 2 is a factor because it can divide. 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 1 is left, 2 8s are. Yes, 2 18s are 36. Then 4 9s are 36. Yes, 12 3s are 36. Yes, 2 is also, 3 is also factors, 4 is also factors. 5 there is no possibility. 5 is not a factor of 36. Then yes, 4, then 6. Yes, 6 is a factors. Then 7 is not, and 8 is not a factors. Okay, there is no chance. 8 is not a factors of this 36. Yes, 18 9 yes, 9 is there now. 9 is also factors of 36. There is no chance. 10 11 12 is a factors of 36. 12 is a factors of 36. Then yes, 12. Yes, 18 is also factors of 36. Then finally 36. Yes, see how many factors are there. Let us see here. This 36 can be divisible by all these numbers what I have written. Yes, what I have written, all these. Here 1 is 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. These are all factors of this, the given number 36. Let us see here few more examples. Write the factors for the following. Example 4, dear children. Yes, suppose 35. Example 4 is 35. 35 is equals to 1 is a common factor for all numbers. Then 2, there is no chance, it is not a factors of 35. 3 is also, there is no chance, it is not a factors. Then 4, no. 5, yes, 5 7s are 35. 7 is also factors of 35. Then finally, my dears, that is 35. Yes, dear children, 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are all factors of 35. You should remember in your mind. Here they can give questions like, write the factors for this number. That number, what is that, we don't know. They can give, write the factors for this number. Yes, you should remember, factors means what? Any number which can divide the given number. Yes, that's very important. Example 5, dear children. Example 5. Suppose 49. Example for 49. Yes, factors for 49. 1 is a common factor for all numbers. Then 7 sevens are. Then 49 only. Yes. Here only chance is there. 49 will cancelled by 1. 49 will divisible by 7. 49 is divisible by 49 itself only. That's why another one important concept. Any number which can divide the given number, that number we are going to be called factors. Any number itself only factor. Any number itself is also a factor. See here, 49 is also factor of 49 itself only. For any number, factors itself. This is all regarding to the factors. In our today class, we have discussed about the factors. In next class, we have to discuss about the multiples. Okay, I think this is clear. Thank you all. Bye.